Hi everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today I thought we would do some shopping. Where are we at, Ezra?
The Dollar Tree.
The Dollar Tree, and this is going to be mostly Ezra's haul. We need to get started. Whoa, right, Ezra? So much fun to be had here. You ready? You see?
I think I just got them now.
I think he's going to have a little difficult time looking for his brothers. But I have faith he's going to do it. What do you see there?
A guy holding a knife. It's so squishy.
Okay, I told Ezra he could have one thing for himself, and he wants this mask. He often creeps around the house, right? And sneak up on people like a ninja. Yeah, this is perfect. They have a lot of little stuff here, right? For toiletries and little stocking stuffers. It's kind of nice. Huh. These are kind of cool, these masks. What do you think, Ezzy? They're cool? I think he's making a decision. Okay, so I think we got everything, don't you think? So should we go home and show everybody? Yeah, let's go. You can hold it in your pocket. Hey, we came back from the dollar store and we are going to show you, right? What we got from the Dollar Tree. So I'll let Ezra tell us, sweetie. Okay.
So I got like this thing.
Who's that for?
Kobe.
Oh, he got a sword for Kobe. Okay, cool. This thing kept going off in the cart. What else? You got these? They are safety gloves for Grandpa.
Bob.
See, I gotta put this away.
Bob.
Grandpa Bob. Now, what do you think he's gonna use these for?
Cooking and
Cooking.
Cooking and he's fixing stuff.
For when he's fixing stuff, okay. And we got these. Aren't these cute?
Yeah.
Who are they for?
This one's for Grandma. And this one's for Edie.
Grandma and Edie, sisters. So they are on the Back Row Rebels on the other channel that I link at the bottom of my description box. They're coming for Christmas, and Ezra needed that, so they already saw that in the store. You had tried it on. Super cute. And then I told him he can get a couple of things while we were there. Look at how cute that is. It's a little train set. So I thought that would be cute on the table, just while they're eating or something. And then there's things that I got. I think there's a couple of things that we need as presents, but let's kind of unwrap and see where we're at. Okay, I got some things. I have one bobby pin left. So I just got some bobby pins, and matching my hair is not as easy as it used to be. So I think those will be fine. I got some of these Cascade pods for the dishwasher. There's, I think, 4 or 6. 4. And so that's kind of the brand we use. So, you know, we're not that we're getting so low, but I thought we should replenish. I did get a couple of these door hangers for the, if I could take it off, I probably won't. 2 of them for the front door for my wreaths. One of them keeps falling off, so I thought that would be a good idea. Some tissue. Dollar store has a great price on tissue, so can you believe it's $1? Just kidding. All right, Ezzy, here's another gift.
For Teresa.
That's for his stepmother-in-law. She's kind of like a mother-in-law. I mean, we just call her mother-in-law. But these are an eye mask, so you could put it in the freezer and put it on, and it's kind of like a spa treatment. But it almost looks like you can be as a mask and play games with that, huh? Look at those those are cool. Perfect for the temperature. I like it. Maybe I'll go get one myself. All right, here's another gift.
Jonas.
For Brother Jonas. Why did you pick that one?
Because he will think it's cool.
He will think it's...
He will think it's really cool.
Okay, so we're getting near the end. We didn't buy the whole store, even though it's pretty easy to do, huh? There's a lot of stuff that's there. All right, so he had another gift. Oh, right here.
For Isaiah.
An older brother, right? Because he likes candles, and I'm more into like diffusing oils. But if it's in his room, it's fine. But this one is from Pillsbury. It's a chocolate chip cookie one. So that's, I mean, it smells pretty good, right? I wonder how it will do lit up. Okay, so some of the other things that I purchased was some Pine Sol. Look at this little Pine Sol. Now, I don't use a lot of this. I only really use it for mopping, maybe into the toilets as well. But I don't use it too much, so this will be fine for a little while. I also purchased some more batteries, AAAs and AA's, because Christmas presents are coming, and you don't want to spend a lot of money on the expensive batteries when you just kind of want the toys to be quiet. And I bought some of these clips for my hair. They break very easily, the ones that I have. Like the one that I have here has like 2 prongs. And then I bought this one for Ezra. Just some more shampoo. And it has a mild scent. You're like, whoa.
Oh, that was going right here.
It almost got on me. Okay, so then we bought some Chicka Boom Chicka Pop. It's the kettle corn. You thought it was funny? Boom Chicka Rucka Chicka Boom. And I got a couple bags of these. They're individual. I just had to go buy some more pretzels anyways. Do you like pretzels?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're good for the kids as lunches. And I thought, now I don't have to buy them at the store. And then the very last thing I got are Nerd ropes for the carpool, which I have to go pick them up in a few minutes. So now I have a treat today. So I know Ezra wants to go ahead and let's go wrap his presents. Cool. Whose is that one? Grandma Nene's. So we got to do that side. He was so excited to come up here, huh? He's like, let's do this. And he's trying not to tell. He's like trying to speak covertly. Huh? Let's do the other side.
Moving so fast. See? We're all done.
We're all done?
Uh-huh.
And where are they going to go?
Under Christmas.
Under the Christmas tree. Okay, let's take them. Okay. Do you want to put some more? Here. Aw, he's so sweet. There you go. Good job, Ezzy. So kind to think of all your family. What'd you get your mom? I'm just kidding. That was sure a fun afternoon, and it's the end of the evening, so I wanted to say thank you so much. I'm so grateful for all of you, and thanks for stopping by my channel today while we went to the Dollar Tree. That was a lot of fun, right, Ezzy?
Mm-hmm. Thanks for watching my haul.
And remember, don't tell them. Stick around, you just never know what I'll be rolling out next.